Welcome back. We've got Holly Miner joining us from the K-State Extension Service here to talk to us all about Walk Kansas program that kicked off earlier this week and a big event coming up on Saturday.
Yes, we have the annual Walk Kansas event, which is a statewide event through the University of, or Kansas State University. Research and Extension is offering this program to anybody in the state. It began on Sunday. It's still not too late to sign up. We have through April 7th, they can sign up to participate in the program in the Wildcat district. And even people outside of the state of Kansas are welcome to participate.
So anyone can go walk on their own and do that. What do you get? What are the benefits of signing up through this program?
So there's a website that people can go onto and sign up, and they log their steps or their minutes that they walk. And 1 mile equals 15 minutes.
Okay.
So by walking and having that physical activity, they get to track that. They can participate in teams. And there's also a map, an interactive map on the website where they can pick a particular trail that they want to walk. And as they're walking that trail, they see points of interest throughout the state of Kansas. And so it's a nice little history or tourism effect without having to leave their house.
And the temperatures are finally starting to warm up too. So if you do want to get outdoors, it'd be great as well.
Yeah.
And speaking of that, this weekend there's a big event on the 1st.
So the Wildcat District and the Southwind District are joining together, and we're having our second annual Wild Wind Walk Run. It's a 5K, 3K, or 1K. You don't have to run, you can walk. So come out and join us. That's on the 1st, this Saturday at 8 o'clock. There's 2 locations for that. So we have our location in Chanute, which is what we did last year. And this year we're adding in our location in Pittsburgh. So anyone in the Pittsburgh area, or like I said, even across the border into Missouri or Oklahoma, can come out and join us in Pittsburgh, do the 5K. There's a registration that needs to be completed for that, so we know how many people to expect. Just come out and have fun with us.
Yeah. Get your walk on, and you can, if you had any more questions about the Walk Kansas, this weekend still won't be too late to sign up for that as well.
That's right. And if you do the 5K walk run, your registration for Walk Kansas is included in that registration. So you get Walk Kansas for free.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Even more of an incentive. All right. Well, we're going to have you back a little bit later in the show, and I want to talk to you about a program that you guys have, Med instead of Meds.
Yes.
And we will explain that when we come back in our next half hour. We'll be right back.